Hey everyone, I'm Brock, and this is Bun the Coffee Maker. Today, let's learn how to make coffee. The coffee making supplies are located in the two cabinets above the coffee pot. First, let's grab a filter. We pull out this tray here and get the filter situated in there like that. Now we come to this cabinet where the coffee is located. There's usually some coffee down here that's not labeled. That's free game. If you see someone's name on a bag of coffee, either don't use it or ask first. Now I'm going to grab our handy dandy coffee scoop. I recommend putting anywhere from 3 to 4 nice level scoops in the filter. Tom will tell you 4 if you want to make some tar. Now we take our coffee and put it back onto the coffee pot, and we have to make sure it makes a slight clicking sound to know that it's locked in there properly. Our next step is to get water for our coffee. I recommend filling it to the bottom of the handle here to make sure it's not too much water for the coffee pot. Looks great. Now we come over to the coffee pot and open this flap on top. We pour in all of the water. We close the flap, set the pitcher back down. We'll turn on this far left button so that the burner under this pot is heating. Wait and happiness will follow. When the coffee's almost gone like you see here, make sure to turn off the burner so it doesn't boil dry and start smoking. Make sure to sweep the shed by cleaning up any spills or messes you've made in the kitchen. Once you're all cleaned up, enjoy your cup of happiness. Tastes like happiness.